today I'm going to be showing you how I get my light pink hair using Splat Naturals and Splat Pastel Mixer. I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, so this color is their pink. Their product is 95% natural, which is amazing. The packaging is also 90% sustainable, which is awesome. Just putting in here. The squeezable package is like my favorite because you can like get out all of the product. You can like use it as like a toothpaste almost and like roll it down and get it all out completely. Formula is plant-based, which is awesome, and it's semi-permanent. This is their pastel mixer. Let's open this up. So this is cool. It comes with gloves, but I already have gloves. Comes with a cute little brush to mix it up, the product, and this is a bowl. I'm not going to use this because I have my big bowl, but I like that it includes the bowl. So it says to select your color, which is the Naturals pink. I'm gonna wait about 30 to 40 minutes for this to, you know, get done with its thing, and we will be back with the finished result. Okay, here is the new hair. So all of the blue hair turned a really pretty light, like lilac purple, which I'm in love with. The pink is a nice pretty pastel pink. I'm very happy. Naturals formula is also really awesome for people like me who love to change their hair color because it fades faster than their old formula. This formula is awesome. I'm going to be able to transition this color into my next color without even having to bleach it or strip it probably. I'll probably be able to let this just fade out into a really pretty pastel, like super blonde pink, and then go on and do my next color without even having to remove the old color because it'll wash out really nicely. So right now the line has 7 shades, which is pretty good. I like the shade range that they sent me. I'm gonna include a little clip of all of the shades that I got, not just the pink ones, so you guys can check them out. You can get it at splathair.com, which is super easy. You can just order it online, get it shipped straight to your house. My favorite parts about it is that it's vegan, it's semi-permanent, so you can switch out colors pretty easily, and it's conditioning. So it's got that thick texture, it's easy to apply, it's good for your hair when you're dyeing it, it's not super drying, it's nice, it applies beautifully, and look at how cute it turned out. I love this. This is like so my style. I'm like obsessed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let's take a look at this hair.